Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to open the MATHEW TECH MK86. This is a kit. Okay, we just remove the knob directly from here, just pull it out. Okay, then you can see this is a gasket structure. We can open from here and here, and here because it is very hard here. But don't open from here because it is very soft here. So don't use the tools. Open from here. We can use this. And be careful when you open this. You can use more power if it is very hard to open this, but yeah, be careful with your hand. Yeah, you see, it is open now. But you know, the hole here is very small, so be careful when you open the case, or the case may destroy the knob. So be careful when you do here, from here. Use this. Now it's easy. Okay, now just finish this. Okay, and see what you have here. This is a gasket structure. See what we have inside. The button. This is the button. The very can see the silicone and the battery, the PCB. Let's see what we have here. Okay, can remove this first. PCB, foam, silicon, PC plate. Okay.